Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are good and doing good in your studies. Today I am here to discuss a topic that is force and pressure. So, I am sure that I will make this topic very easy for you. Okay? And also, after the completion of this chapter, I guarantee that you will find this topic force and pressure super easy and interesting also. Okay, so before going to the topic force and pressure, I would like to know that all of you are aware about motion, right? All of you are aware of motion. So, what is motion? All of you know that changing the position of any object with changing its time. Time is also changing and the position of the object is changing, then it is the motion. The term is called body is in motion, right? But what is the reason behind this motion? What is the reason behind this motion? So today we will discuss the reason behind this motion. What is the reason? That is force. So first we will discuss about force. What is force? What is its types and what are the effect of force? Okay, so before what we have to learn in this chapter, what we have to cover in this chapter, first of all, what? Suppose this is a ball, okay, and if I push this ball start moving, okay. Again, this marker is in here. When I pull it toward myself, then what will happen? This marker is moving, right? Means I am applying a force and the object is, what I am doing? I am pushing or pulling any object. Means what I am applying? Applying force. What I am applying? Applying force. So this is force, okay? So in general term, all of you know about force, but in the term of physics, what we can say? That force is push and pull, okay. So force is nothing but push and pull. When we are applying push and pull, means we are applying what? We are applying force, and that is the cause of motion, right? I hope all of you understand up to this, okay. So we have to take some more example, okay. So how we are doing? We are applying force in our day-to-day activities, okay. Like suppose if we have to close the door, okay. So what we will do? We will pull the door. Oh sorry, we will push the door. Then what we are doing? We are pushing the handle of the door with our hand, okay. Then it is close the door, okay. And when we have to open the door, we have to pull the handle of the door, then the door gets open. So in closing and opening of the door, what is happening? We are applying force. Some kind of force is there. Also, if football is there, suppose this is, and a footballer kick the ball, what will happen? This ball will start moving, right? This ball will start moving. So we say that he is pushing this ball, right? Suppose this is duster and I am applying some thread and I am pulling it toward myself. So what is this happening? This duster start moving, okay. So this is what? Changing the position of this duster, right? Again, if you are going and suddenly you apply a brake on the car, so what you are doing? You are applying brake, means you are applying some force. So what happened? The moving car stop, okay. So to move a ball, we have to apply force, or sorry, to move an object, we have to apply force, and to stop any object, we also have to apply force. So what is the force? Force is push and pull, okay. So before going to this chapter, next topic, we have to discuss very interesting and important term, that is interaction. What is interaction? Interaction is nothing but it is reciprocal of action. Okay, reciprocal action. So it involves how many, a body or object? Two object. What happen in here? Two object in such a way they involve with each other that they have some kind of effect on one another. Okay, if we are applying a force on this toy, what will happen? There is an interaction between my hand and this toy. So what is happening? This I am applying some force, so something is happened to this toy, and this toy is doing something, applying some force. So that interaction is, that effect is for me. So there is a what? There is a effect on each other. Okay, right. So I hope all of you understood about the force and the term interaction. Okay. So we have to know, we know that force is what? Push and pull of any object. So do you know force? We can measure the term force. Like we can measure how much fat you are, how much, what is the weight of, what is your weight, what is your height, what is the length of your ground, what is the length of your chair, table, everything you can measure. So can you measure the force? Yes, you can measure because it has some magnitude, or you can say value. Okay. So force has magnitude and value, means it has magnitude. Confirm. So can you say force has magnitude? So is it true? Is it correct to say that force has direction also? Yes, we can say that. But how? Force has magnitude also and direction also. How we can say that force has direction also? Like, how we can explain that? Suppose this is a ball. We are applying force. We means I am pushing it. So what is the direction of force? Is away from me. We can say this ball is going there, that side, means it is opposite to me. Means what is the direction? We can know, right? So we can say that force has direction also and magnitude also, as we can measure force in Newton, right? So it has direction also. Suppose you are pulling the door, okay, to open it. So where is the force applying? Toward yourself. So it has, if you will say that I am applying 10 Newton of force toward this side, means suppose north side, south, 10 Newton force towards south. So there is direction also, right? So I hope until this you have all have cleared this topic, force and pressure. Okay. So next we will discuss about what are the effects of force, how force can affect a particular body. Okay. Okay. So there are different types of effect of force. Okay, we will discuss it little bit later, right?